Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to integrate PayPal and Stripe with GoHighLevel. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and log in into your GoHighLevel account. And after that, just simply go to the settings tab on the left sidebar. And from there, just simply click on payments to open up the payment settings. And in the payments section, just simply click on connect Stripe. And after that, you will be redirected to the Stripe login page and just simply log in into your Stripe or create a new account if needed. And after that, just simply authorize GoHighLevel to access your Stripe account. And from there, just simply return to the GoHighLevel where you should see now the Stripe is connected. And after that, just simply go to the payments again. And now in the payments section, just simply click on connect PayPal. And after that, just simply log in into your PayPal account or sign up if you don't have one. And after that, just simply authorize GoHighLevel to access your PayPal account. And from there, you should be able to connect your PayPal. And after that, on the payment section, just simply configure your payment settings. So just simply set up your preferred payment methods, currencies, and any specific settings required for your business. And after that, just simply test your integration by going to your sales funnel or order form and test the checkout process to ensure that both PayPal and Stripe are working correctly. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.